Hello, my name is Valentina and I'm here to introduce you to CodeSteri. CodeSteri is a medical company founded by an actual doctor who have unfortunately witnessed an EEND's case. So after directly witnessing the collapse of hospital system during the MES outbreak, the government asked for an effective and fast infectious disease prevention solution and started with the government's R&D project. As a result of 5 billion won in government subsidies in 5 years of effort and collaboration by experts in the field, the patient innovative surface and space distance PlaClin was succeeded. As the COVID-19 prolongs, the fatigue of medical staff and those who are in front of quarantine is reaching its peak. Everyone is tired, everyone is exhausted by this very, very prolonged virus, and it is killing everyone, especially in the medical system, as it affects most of the people who are dealing with it. Of course, the patients are just as much to pity, but the medical staff are the ones who have it all on their shoulders. They are the ones who became responsible for this outbreak. They try to carry the whole planet on their shoulders by just doing their best, and the government obviously wants to help them as much as possible by preventing whatever it takes to deal with the virus. In places where there are many people gathering, there is a need to disinfect and reduce the space as soon as possible, especially in places that might be harmful to a human body. So this company invented the safe and fast surface sterilizer that is patient inquiry and is often used in the United States as well. It's called PlaClin, all-in-one space and surface sterilizer for the purpose of preventing infectious disease that is so needed in times like this. During this pandemic, it has been very crucial to sterilize things. They often tell you to just rub with some alcohol, the things that you even bought from the store. It's like one of the most crucial parts about stop preventing this virus. So apart from wearing a mask, you obviously have to do it on yourself, but there is a possibility of the virus still being on things, on surfaces. So it's very, very crucial to keep the surfaces clean, keep everything around you as sterile as possible. That's why this wonderful company invented this all-in-one space and surface sterilizer. Its innovative technologies patented in Korea and the United States have advanced of not having to be cleaned by humans and be able to use space in a short period of time because it's harmless and dries quickly after the distribution. Using advanced plasma technology and low concentration of hydrogen peroxide, one of the most, you usually use it in your wounds when if you have a little cut, they usually tell you to like rub a little hydrogen peroxide on it because it kills most of the bacteria. It provides a wide range of solutions from daily sterilizations or highly sterilizations. It is internal and external ambulances for paramedics, and it has been tested over 50 times, so it's absolutely foolproof and very safe. They have tested in different locations with different people, and it is as customized as possible to every need. In fact, it's widely used in fire departments, ambulances, and being used again immediately after a short ventilation time of about 10 to 20 minutes after the disinfection. It also has got all the FDA, CE, and KC certifications, so you know it's absolutely safe for you to use. It's absolutely good for you to use, and there is no harm in sterilizing the things this way. A total of 13 publicly trusted external certifications have actually proved this product. So apart from the testing that has been done over 50 times that I've already mentioned, it has all the certification that it could possibly have. The 8 cases are sterilized and disinfected every time. 4 tests were toxic, and one case is spray particle test. Internal experiments are laboratory tests, and the in-hospital environments are more than 50 times. Again, it has been tested so many times over and over. They want to make sure that it's absolutely safe for you to use, that it's absolutely good for your body, and it has no unintentional harm done during the process. So it has been verified by all the things possible. It's also been recognized as an effective and efficient hospital infection prevention solution and verified by world-class journalists and International Journal of Environment Research and Public Health. So it is usually used in crowded places, as I've already mentioned, because it's the most dangerous place for people to be in right now, as we don't know who might have caught the virus, we don't know who might be just transmitting it. You don't necessarily have to be sick to be transmitting the virus, so just being in a crowded place in general is kind of dangerous in times like this. So it is a product necessary to protect everyone at risk of infection diseases, not only immune-compromised people, but also us regular folks, including obviously preventing us from COVID-19. And many hospitals, nursing hospitals, military units, living groups, public transportation such as like subway, trains, airplanes, and like any crowded facilities, it would be perfectly good to use in any of these places. And it is really trying to export itself for right now, as the situation with COVID is not getting any better. We're just trying our best to prevent the spread of the virus. We're trying our best to deal with it. So the export right now is one of the top priorities, so the world could deal with this thing as fast as possible so we can get over it. It is exported to US, Japan, Canada, Europe, Belarus, Peru, and throughout KOICA, and inquiries and products in various countries around the world coming in. The Vietnamese market is also officially entered. The high-tech plasma technology is clean. Hydrogen peroxide for smaller capacity has its sterilizing effect, and it just maximizes the prevention from the virus, getting the virus. So you can just carry it in your backpack. It's safe for aircrafts, and the logistics of spreading the product would be dealt with. And I just can't wait for the safer world to come, as we're entering this new era of just having to deal with the virus all the time. So sterilization is one of the top priorities, and I'm so happy we can do it much safer and easier now with the CodeSteri products. Thank you.